chi gydol i radio CAYB.
Radio CAYB.
Chi gydol i radio CAYB.
Hello and welcome to week 36 of Radio CAYB.
Okay, so we hope you enjoyed last week's show where we interviewed Kev Bark, yes boys. And we would like to thank his time for coming on our show last week. And this week we got all our features, such as a mystery song, where we play 5 different songs, yes Ethan?
Yeah.
And you have to guess which songs they are, yes?
Yes.
And also this week we got history with Osham. Wonder where you're going to take us this week, Osh? Where are you going to take us this week?
To Buckingham Palace in London.
That sounds good, doesn't it, Ethan? And also we got Garage as well. Where are you going this week?
Oh, I'm just going to explain the Baldwin locomotive classifications, travel bits and the workings.
Also we got your latest sports updates with Max and Peter as well, yes. Max a cameraman and Peter will be talking about the updates that's going on. And also we got our interview for this week. And Kean's jokes as well, yeah, Ethan?
Yeah.
And this week on our show we got Miss Bradwell from Canolfan, who's going to be coming on a bit later in the show. So let's start off this week with a classic from Bruce Springsteen, yes. And this one's Born to Run. Hope you enjoy this one.
Machines sprung from cages on Highway 9.
Bont are on, and that is featured in a Red Bull advertisement. Now on to our mystery songs.
And this is our feature this week where we play 5 different songs from 5 different decades, and you have to guess which songs they are.
Here comes the mystery voice.
Mystery boy. Mystery boy.
Here's our first song for this week.
Oh, let our love survive.
Song number 2 for this week.
Got no time for explanations, got no time to lose.
Song number 3 for this week.
What this world is about. Watching some good.
Song number 4 week.
You come from Cotton Eye Joe.
Song number 5 this week. Okay, so we hope you all got all of our songs this week correct on our mystery song for this week. Now we are moving on back to the music now with a bit of Dyma, and this is amrywiaeth, and this is for gyfan, yes, and we hope you all enjoy this.
Does neb yn ei nabod o. Mae 1,800 o flynyddoedd yn amser hir i'r co. Ond aeth Magnus Maximus o Gymru yn y flwyddyn 303 a'n gadair yn gennym gofal a heddiw
Good morning.
of speed.
The last one was mwynhewch by gyfan. Now we've got the history. Today we got the Buckingham Palace in London history. Dion? Yeah. So it's in London, so hope you enjoy.
Buckingham Palace is the official London residence and administrative headquarters of the British monarch. The first ever monarch to live here was Queen Victoria. She moved in on the 13th of July 1837. Queen Elizabeth II uses it as her official residence and for important events, meetings and receptions. The building has 775 rooms, including 19 staterooms, 52 royal and guest bedrooms, 188 staff bedrooms and 78 bathrooms. The palace has 760 windows that are cleaned every 6 weeks. It was originally called Buckingham House and started as a private house that was built in 1705 for the Duke of Buckingham.
Listen to me, baby. I'm trying to make you see that I want to be with you, girl, if you want to be with me. But if you got to go, it's alright. But if you got to go, go now, or else you got to stay all night. Just a poor boy, baby, trying to connect. But I don't want you thinking, oh, that I ain't got any respect. But if you got to go, it's alright. But if you got to go, go now, or else you got to stay all night. Now I'm not trying to question you, to take part in any quiz. It's just that I don't have a watch, and you keep asking me what time it is. But if you got to go, well, it's alright. But if you got to go, go now, or else you got to stay all night. Now I don't want to make you give anything you never gave before. It's just that I'll be sleeping soon. It'll be too dark for you to find the door. But if you got to go, well, it's alright. But if you got to go, go now, or else you got to stay all night.
How people would classify its locomotive product before selling them to the railroads before they classify them? In God, I'll show you how it's done. Let's start with the steam locomotives, because we got to start somewhere. For example, 830 C710. The first number comprised of 1 or 2 digits, 4 being the minimal, and 24 being the maximal, meaning the number of wheels total. The second number usually comprised of 2 digits, 10 being the lowest, with 30 being the maximum, because that's the number size of the standard gauge. It means cylinder size. A letter denotes powered axles. A is for rack locomotives or specialty engines. B is for 1 pair of driving wheels. C for 2 pairs of coupled wheels. D meaning 3 pairs of coupled wheels. E for 4 and F for 5. Double means articulated locomotives. The last number, optionally, of course, if you want to, means the number in the class. Now on to the diesels. Another example classification is DR642000. DS, DRS, DT, and DR stood for diesel switcher, diesel road switcher, diesel transfer, or diesel road. A 1 or 2 digit number, 4 being the minimal, 12 being big, maximum, means the total axles. A single digit number, again 4 being the minimal, 8 being the maximum, denotes how many axles are powered. A 4 digit number, yes, in the thousands, represents the horsepower rating of an engine. If it's /2, that means it has 2 engines. Yes, I'm looking at you, Baldwin Centipedes. On to Kian's jokes. But before then, you had to learn how Baldwin's builders photos online. Find them variously. And also, work out more mathematics on how you need 3 locos on 1 train. That's coming soon.
Okay, so now we've got Kian Jones here with us in the studio, and now we've got your jokes here.
Yeah.
And we also got Oshan here as well.
Yes.
And let's start, Kim.
Which part of the football stadium never stays the same?
Oh, don't know. Do you know, Osh?
I don't know.
The changing rooms.
Ah.
Why are 2 football managers sketching China before the start of the game?
Oh, don't know.
It was a cup draw.
Ah.
What do you call a girl who stands outside goalposts and stops the ball rolling away?
Don't know. Do you know, Osh?
I don't know.
Anna.
Ah.
What spins it round and round and shines, here we go, here we go, here we go?
Don't know.
A football fan.
Ah.
What is the Snakes' favourite football team?
Ooh. Do you know, Osh?
I don't know.
The Liverpool.
Ah.
What is pink, has 4 legs to play football?
Don't know.
Queen's Park Rangers.
Ah.
What do you call a football team crust ice cream?
You know, Osh?
I don't know.
Ashton Vanilla. What do earwigs sing at football matches?
You know, Osh?
No, I don't know. What
Don't
is
know.
that?
Here we go, here we go, here we go. What has 22 legs and 2 wings but can't fly?
Oh, don't know. Do you know, Osh?
I don't know.
A football team. Why is Dracula's hopeless goalkeeper?
Don't know.
He hates crosses.
Is that all you got for us today?
Yeah.
Hey, thank you, Kian, for coming in today for all your jokes. And we'll see you back here next week.
Ydy ma'n wir bod chwarel i y dyffryn di cael. Yr hollwr a'r haliwr di mynd i gwrdd ag angau. Rhaid wyneb y caban i mynd o'r tir. Be sydd ar ôl o dybwch y gwir. Yn y dyffryn yn enwog am I gara glas. Lle mae o'n digwydd yn y gwari, man's arms yn y gwari. Why? y Mabinogi a ballu. Creu llawer gyffes, wel dyna chi fwy efo gallu. Pan oedd o'n myrthio, oedd o'n troi yn eagle. Be sy'n ma heddiw dim ond amball i seagull. Lledrath llwynog ag Williams Parry, a clwch lasgores yn canu yn y quarry. Geir I sgwrs dda joc yn y quarry. Geir I beint os ti'n broc yn y quarry. Os ti'n chwilio am bar, paid mynd yn rhy bell, ma' nhw I gyd rownd y bar. Ydy ma'n wir bod capeli y dyffryn 'di cael. Y blaenor a'r syniad di mynd I gwrdd ag angau. Lle roi cyfoeth o ddiwylliant yn yr hen iaith, sgwennu a chanu sirgwyl a gwaith. Yr hen brodyr Francis a John Jones Talsarn, emynwyr, crefyddwyr yn tyrru'r fan i'r quarry. Geir I sgwrs a gwyn coch yn y quarry. Gall I fynd yn draed moch yn y quarry. Dyna ddim newid pari. Mae'r hogia go iawn wedi banio'r quarry. Mae'r hogia go iawn wedi banio'r quarry. Mae'r hogia go iawn wedi banio o'r quarry.
Okay, thank you, Dylan, and welcome back to Radio CAYB this week, Dylan. Where have you been today?
Been shopping.
Oh, nice, mate. What did you buy?
Cafe food.
Oh, nice, yeah, boys. Yep. Okay, so enough of mumbling about food now, you know?
Yeah.
Now we got our news update from around the school. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
Okay, so our first report here today is Canolfan went to Morrison's Cafe in Holyhead, I think, yeah, mate?
Yeah.
What did they have?
Have a nice breakfast.
Oh, would you like a breakfast one day, Dylan?
Yeah.
What about you, or smacks and full English would be very nice, yeah, Dylan?
Yeah.
And also, Canolfan had a great session, didn't they? You were done?
South Arthur.
Yeah, and they went to the gym, didn't they, go on?
Yeah.
Max.
Yeah.
And
10 started a great lesson at College Midnight in Llangefni.
And big congratulations to all of you guys that in year 10 in CAYB who had a wonderful session at College Midnight. Congratulations to all of you. Do you remember when we were in year 10, Dylan?
Yeah.
We used to go to college quite a lot, didn't we?
Yeah.
We remember those days, don't we?
Yeah.
And also Levi in Cape Tree. He's back from his holidays here, Dylan.
Yeah.
Wonder where he's been to, I wonder.
Also, Oshan is getting a new shed.
Yes, Oshan in King Pimp is getting a brand new shed fitted with Oswin, who is Keon's dad. He'll be fitting a shed for him. And his brother is also coming along with him as well. Any idea if Keon's going to help him?
Yeah.
Go on, Max. Yeah. I think he is. Okay, so, and we'd like to welcome back everyone who's had a nice summer holidays here, don't we? And we are so sorry that there wasn't any news last week. Because we were just settling in, weren't we, going? Getting back to routine, yes, Max? Yeah. So now we got our next song coming up here now. And what is our next song, go on?
That song is Red Light, Bell Danger by Billy Ocean.
And we hope you enjoyed this, and here's Billy Ocean for you. With Red Light Spells Games here on Radio CAYB. Now we are moving on to your mystery song answers for this week. And our 60s song for this week was Suspicious Minds by Elvis Presley. What was our 70s song, Osher?
So the 70s song is Yellow River by Christie.
And our 80s hit for this week was Under Pressure by Queen and David Bowie. And our 90s song was, Osher?
So, Cotton Eye Joe by Rednecks.
And our naughty song for this week was Jason Mraz with I'm Yours. So we hope you all got those songs correct. And now here we got Oshan with our leaderboard answers for this week.
The leaderboard was this week about Puppet. Right there, Dion?
Yeah.
Yes. So, the number 8 for this week is Cannot Die. They got... actually, they're not even trying. 0 out of 15. Then Cannot Pedwar got... same thing, 0 out of 15. Can you believe that? And also, Canolfan got 2nd out of 15. So we got 2 out of 15. And Swiver got 2 out of 15. Well done. Number 6 for this week is Kev. Music got 5 out of 15. Well done. Number 5 for this week is Cain Dai got 7 out of 15. And Cain Tree got 7 out of 15. Was Cain Dai. So number 4 is Cynradd Chwech got 10 out of 15. Number 3 is Caint Pedwar got 12 out of 15. Number 2 for this week is Cynradd Saith. They got 13 out of 15. Also, Cynradd Pump got 13 out of 15. Number 1 with 14 out of 15, well done, got Dyma and Canolfan. Well done, you, all of you doing that. Now, next song is Yellow by Coldplay. Hope you enjoy.
Was all yellow. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turn into something beautiful. And you know I love you so. You know I love you so. Across for you. Oh, what a thing to do. 'Cause you were all yellow. I drew a line. I drew a line for you. Oh, what a thing to do. And it was all yellow. For you I bleed myself dry. It's true. Look how they shine for you. 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 Look how they shine. that you do.
Hello, my name is Jesus. As it's no good master cover. So, in this week there's a start new, so that which is as ones, 4 logs, one log of race cars, and this one is a big race person. So those, it might be the Ferraris, the craft, the easy, and the rocket shake. Wow. And in the chorus, again, in the friendly, England does as well. Good. Yeah, wait, to see that one as well. Corsica's, which is the Island. That's to be the hard to go see that, mate. There's a way to see there. At the Dolph, more with the wonder, the King Grey off. And got a Johnson City, this one season to House City, and Blackwall got, but there's a quark, it's a lousy, and you got some mysteries. So the first day is E, and the second day is G. But okay, I got loose and from the proxies T. Don't go. I'm gonna do this. And I got more coming. More coming. Wait around British to top them. It's a good one. Manchester City, British and Manchester United. It's really tough team. It's really hard team. That's a good game. Fulham, British, Leeds United. And also the course. And Bombs versus Turkey. No, okay, sorry, Rugby. Good young got good answers. Ethan Christian. He was to play Man United and Man United. Man United. And I play with Soldiers now. He played quite now, so that's it. It's just start news. It's talking like Beer, it's talking like Cockabay, Bass.
Hwyl ti Gymru fy hen ffrind, ma'n amser I ni fynd. Gadal cartra, gadal gwaed, Mam henni'n ffrio hefo'n rhaid. Dwi'n chwynnu y gwreiddiau allan o'n heimlada. Dwi'n chwilio am y galwleini. Rhai sefyll ar draed y llun, Canu'n llais a tyfu'n hen. O, teithio bell am fywyd well paid dod yn nôl. Gad mi goriad, gad mi allan o'r gell.
ffrind. Mae'n amser I ni fynd. Gadael cartra, gadael gwaed. Mae mhen i'n ffrio hefo'n rhai. Dwi'n torri bob cwlwm yn fy nghysylltiadau. Dwi'n chwilio am y galleini. Rhai sefyll ar draed y llun. Codi'n llais a tyfu'n hyn. O, teithio bell am fywyd gwell paid dod yn nôl. Gad mi'r goriad, gad mi allan o'r gell, o'r doi yn ôl i'n dydd. Cario ymlaen I gadw'r ffilm. Nid geiriau gwag yw rhain. Geiriau cadarn, geiriau cain. Hwyl ti Gymru fy hen ffrind. Mae'n amser I ni fynd. O, teithio bell am fywyd gwell paid dod yn nôl. Gad mi allan o'r Sef a beth y llun, codan glais a thyfu'n dyn. Does na'm rhaid chdi fynd yn bell os ti'n mynnu bywyd gwell. Ond rhaid ni sylwi bod ni gyd yn rhyw.
It's not unusual to be loved by anyone. It's not unusual to have fun with anyone. But when I see you hanging about with anyone, it's not unusual to see me cry. I wanna die. It's not unusual to go out at any time. But when I see you out and about, it's such a crime. If you should ever wanna be loved by anyone, it's not unusual, it happens every day. No matter what you say, you'll find it happens all the time. Love will never do what you wanna do. Why can't this crazy love be more? It's not unusual to be mad with anyone. It's not unusual to be sad with anyone. But if I ever find that you've changed at any time, it's not unusual to find that I'm in love with you. Oh, 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 oh.
When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see. No, I won't be afraid. Oh, I won't be afraid. Just as long
as you stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. If the sky that we look upon should tumble and fall, or the mountain should crumble to the sea, I won't cry, no I won't shed a tear, just as long as you stand by me. And darling, darling, stand by me.
You're listening to Radio CAYB, and now we are moving on to our interview, on.
Yeah.
And this week we've got Miss Fretwell here in the studio. Hello, Miss Fretwell, how are you today?
Hello, I'm good, thank you.
Hello.
First question is here for you today is, where is your favourite place to go for a walk?
Any mountain, really. I like to go up the Aval and Moelilio. So anywhere on top of the mountain, I love being.
How much mile do you do the day?
How many miles do I do per day? Oh, it depends if I'm working or not. Sometimes on the weekends I go longer. So between 6 and 10.
Ah. Our third question here for you is, where is your favourite country to visit on holiday?
Oh, easy. Croatia. Lovely.
What do you like doing in Croatia?
Swimming in the sea if it's hot enough.
That sounds good, doesn't it, Dawn? Izzy swims in the sea in Holyhead, doesn't he?
Mm.
Oh, it's much warmer in Croatia than Holyhead.
Have you ever run at the marathon?
I haven't done a marathon. I've done half a marathon, and that's long enough.
Where was the half marathon?
It was the Great North Run in Newcastle.
Ah. Our fifth question here for you is, which mountain do you like to walk the most?
Which ones do I like to walk the most? I tend to avoid Snowdon. I've done that plenty of times now because it gets too busy. So any of the local ones, like I've said, I like the Aval. I like loads of local ones. I go Pedal Marchlin. I go, where else do I go? Hebog. Loads of them. Local ones.
How have you been working in CAYB?
Oh, way too long. Since you were a little baby, Dylan.
Wow.
About 16 years, I think.
Wow.
Long time ago.
Which country during a convenience trip did you enjoy the most?
During the convenience trip, all of them I enjoyed. It's difficult to choose that one. Maybe I'll go for France.
France is a good country, isn't it, Dawn?
Did you eat a lot of when you went to Greece?
Which dip did I eat in Greece? Oh, tzatziki.
Yep.
Yeah?
How much could you eat?
Probably a tub every day.
Wow. That is a lot, isn't it, Dawn? Which mountain did you, Mr. Williams, Wythnos, and Islin and Greta get lost on?
Holyhead Mountain.
Yeah. Holyhead Mountain's good, isn't it, Dawn?
Yeah.
It was Islin's fault that we got lost.
What song do you want to end with the show with?
Oh, please, can I have Connie Francis, Pretty Little Baby?
Okay, so we're going to finish off this week's show with Pretty Little Baby by Connie Francis, and we'll see you next week for week 36 of Radio CAYB. Yeah, Dawn?
Yeah.
And take care for now, and we'll see you next week.
Bye.
Bye.
Pretty little baby, pretty little baby, pretty little baby. You say that maybe you'll be thinking of me and try to love me, pretty little baby. I'm hoping that you do. You can ask the flowers, I sit for hours telling all the bluebirds, the bill and coo birds, pretty little baby, I'm so in love with you. Now is just the time when both of us are young. Puppy love must have its day. Don't you know it's much more fun to love while the heart is young and gay? Meet me at the car hop or at the pop shop. Meet me in the moonlight or in the daylight, pretty little baby, I'm so in love with you. Now is just the time when both of us are young. Puppy love must have its day. Don't you know it's much more fun to love while the heart is young and gay? Meet me at the car hop or at the pop shop. Meet me in the moonlight or in the daylight, pretty little baby, I'm so in love with you. Pretty little baby, I said pretty little baby. Oh, now pretty little baby.
Okay, so we hope you've enjoyed this week's edition of Radio CAYB, and we will see you next week. Bye for now.
Bye.
Café Canto, Radio CAYB.
Radio CAYB.
Café Canto, Radio CAYB.
You're listening to Radio CAYB.